What is up? Welcome to this video. In this video, another software engineering concept we are going to look at is the cookies in Python programming. So we'll also look at the demonstration soon. But then now we want to understand what it is, and we are doing it very fast in under 2 minutes. So cookies are actually small data pieces sent from servers and stored on client devices, functioning as website memory to retain user information between sessions. And Python manages cookies through two key models. So it uses the http cookies module for servers to create and set cookies, and it uses the http cookiejar module for clients to manage receive cookies. These enable features like authentication, shopping carts, personalized content, and session tracking without requiring repeated user input. So here's a quick demonstration example of how cookies are implemented inside of Python. Okay, so you can see it right here. You can take your time, pause the video, open your VS Code, do a type out of this, and check how it actually works. So creating and managing cookies in Python is a fairly straightforward thing using the http.cookies model, and this example actually on my right hand side demonstrates how to create a cookie object and set the cookie value and attributes and output cookies in HTTP header format. So that's it for now. Just try and practice with this right here and let us know how it went in the comment section.